Oxygen is a source of life. It is also the most basic material for the survival of life on Earth. It is also an indispensable element to maintain human life. Today, let me introduce you to the Micro Hyperbaric Oxygen Chamber. Scientific research shows human oxygen uptake is decreasing year by year. Hypoxia is an important factor in many diseases. So oxygen is really important to our bodies. Treatment through hyperbaric oxygen chambers can help a lot. More than 90% oxygen is injected into the hyperbaric oxygen chamber. At the same time, use a pressure 1.1 to 1.3 times higher than atmospheric pressure. Allow the body to absorb high concentrations of oxygen faster. Rapid improvement. Do you have a certain understanding of micro hyperbaric oxygen chambers?